Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which was Monday the 16th of May. Apologies there hasn't been a recap for a few days, back end of last week. Just things got away with me, I was a little bit busy and away. So back with the recaps this week, so I hope you're going to find them useful as we go back into looking at the reports and how the markets react to our zone. So we said that FTSE had aggressive support today at 73.75 to 85, with the stronger support at 73.39 to 73.51. We said if we could get a strong and sustained break above 74.11 to 74.21 initial resistance, we could see moves towards the higher resistance zone at 74.06 to 75.06 and then 75.21 to 75.31. So let's go and have a look at the market today. Okay, so you can see we opened up right at this support zone at 73.75 to 73.85, and we did actually get a fairly strong reversal signal here, engulfing that, just taking the liquidity out of the overnight lows and then reversing here. This would have been a failing trade, and you can see we then took out the more liquidity right just below that zone, but we then got that impulsive push back up. And then we got the continuation with the acceptance back above that zone to show that was a false break. So an initial reversal pattern from there with the liquidity grab, which would have been a losing trade. And then we got the push up and we got the continuation, which held that false break, and then the continuation, which held that to show that as the aggressive support zone. So an opportunity there to get back in. We then had this strong impulsive push up, and you notice how we then started holding this zone here, 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 and here. So we got that strong and sustained break above 74.11 to 74.21, which we got the sustained break, and then it started holding it as support. We then got this nice push up here to confirm that as support in the afternoon session, and we made our way up to this initially this zone here around 74.63 to 74.73, and actually as the US session has gone on, we've actually moved up to those first targets at 74.96 to 75.06. So the markets and the zones have worked really well on the FTSE today, and although there was that signal on the open that lost, there was opportunities to then get back in and recoup your losses. So that's the FTSE today. Now let's go and take a look at DAX. Okay, so for the DAX, we said we had broken above resistance, and we now needed to clear the next resistance at 14.285 to 14.310. We said we had aggressive support today at 13.910 to 935, with the breakout support area at 13.785 to 13.810. We also said if we could see a strong and sustained break above 14.030 to 14.055, we could then see a move towards initial resistance at 14.165 to 14.190. So let's go and have a look at the DAX today. Okay, so a bit like the FTSE, we opened up around this aggressive support at 13.910 to 935, and you can see we've got the reversal, just grabbing that liquidity below that zone before pushing up higher. We did mention we needed to see strong and sustained breaks above 14.030 to 55, which meant that was a sort of minor resistance zone, and you can see that actually held the resistance there in the morning session. That capped the move up. And we never saw that sustained break above there to see the higher resistance zone. This isn't necessarily a resistance zone that I was looking to trade from, because above here we were expecting potentially moves higher. The market on the hourly time frame was more bullish, so we was looking really to short from that higher initial resistance zone. But it capped that action, and that communicates to you that maybe we're going to sort of set up a bit of a range, or maybe even push lower. We haven't done that. We did come back down. We got some quite choppy action around this zone on that second push. And we, as you can see, for the rest of the session, we just sort of chopped around a little bit. So not really any. We got that nice sort of clean trading in the morning session on the DAX, and then in the afternoon it become a little bit choppy. Didn't get out to those outer edges that we were looking for on the DAX up here at 14.165 to 95, 14.165 to 190, or down here to 13.785 to 810. So yeah, not much there to do on the DAX today after the morning session. So I hope you found this useful. As always, come let me know what you think in the comments box. Also, come join the Keyzone Traders community, join our Discord channels, and sign up to the Keyzone service. The link is in the box below. Make sure you get these recaps every morning before the market opens with full time to prepare, or even just use the reports to practice your pattern recognition skills when you get some free time and get the chance to trade in a simulated environment. So I hope you found this useful, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Cheers.